In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an app from an existing template. To do that, we go on to Marketplace. We have a set of options over here that we can select from. I'm going to go ahead with Partner Enrollment. Okay. They have shared a set of details out here. They have screenshots and the key features of the application. I'm going to go ahead and click on Install. Over here, I can control the app name. I'm okay with the current name. The description seems alright. It seems they have also shared a sheet that goes along with the application, probably to store the data getting collected or fetch data from. I'm going to go ahead and click on Install. Okay. Alright, I have the app in front of me. So this is a form-based app to collect information for a new partner enrollment request. I see the application has just one sheet. It has a workflow with an update, approval, update, and update sheet. I can make changes according to me. Let's say I want to send a notification. So I'm going to go ahead and add a notification to notify the initiator. Okay. Let's say I also want the partner to upload a photograph. I'm going to add one more control over here that says picture upload. So if this one's green and the theme of the application looks different, I'm going to go ahead and make that consistent. Okay. Changing it out here as well. Okay, seems good to go. I'm going to go ahead and publish my application. This is my first try. The app has been published, so it says. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the web app. Let me just refresh it once. There it is. You can see the new control that was added by me. Yep, that's it. That's how you add a new application from the marketplace. You can make as many changes as you require, as per your requirements, and there it is. Thank you.